population. Robotic harvesting platforms glide silently along narrow aisles, extending soft silicone.
Cameras identify only peak-ripe fruit by exact sugar-acid ratio, color, and size, before gentle vacuum cups lift them without bruise.
Sweet, fresh apple aroma rises everywhere, mixing with cool earth and morning, promise of perfect juice ahead.
Autonomous electric harvesters move row by row, never crushing grass beneath wide, low-pressure tires designed for orchard soil.
Full bins weighing exactly 500 kilograms each lower themselves onto waiting hydraulic trailers with barely audible hiss. Live harvest data confirms fruit quality in real time.
Everything looks perfect.
Every apple carries invisible digital passport, recording exact tree position, harvest minute, and bricks level from first touch.
Sunrise turns deeper orange, painting fruit bright ruby, while final bins fill, completing today's flawless early harvest window.
Apples rest on soft, ventilated bases, keeping them exactly 8 degrees Celsius under gentle, forced air cooling from battery units. Trailers glide smoothly over private orchard roads toward a central cold storage collection point just 2 kilometers away.
Bin trailers back perfectly into numbered bays, while overhead cranes lift entire loads with vacuum pads soft as feathers.
Digital inventory screens update instantly, showing 400 tons already received before 9 o'clock this morning.
Cool fog generators release fine mist every 30 minutes, keeping fruit skin fresh and crisp like just picked, even days later.
When processing the master signals arrive from faith bay.
Robotic destackers remove bins layer by layer, feeding them onto enclosed refrigerated conveyor that disappears into underground tunnel. Conveyor carries bins at gentle walking speed through cooled tunnel, emerging directly inside factory receiving hall without temperature shock.
Stainless dumpers tilt bins, slowly releasing avalanche of glowing apples into crystal clear water flumes, bubbling softly with 8-degree spring water. Fruit bobs happily downstream like bright boats, while high-speed cameras scan each apple, removing leaves or rare defects instantly.
Apples float gently into massive brushing station, where thousands of soft food-grade bristles massage every curve, removing field dust lovingly. Pure mountain water jets at gentle pressure rinse fruit sparkling clean, while recycled water loops keep usage near zero.
Warm air knives blow softly, drying each apple perfectly before they rise on elevator belts towards sorting paradise above.
Badly bruised or undersized apples divert gracefully to secondary cider line, while premium fruit continues forward shining like jewels. Perfect apples cascade into 12 identical stainless steel holding silos, each storing 40 tons under blanket of inert nitrogen gas.
Temperature holds steady at 2 degrees Celsius, while humidity sensors watch oxygen level every 5 seconds without fail.
Silos stand 20 meters tall, gleaming mirrors reflecting endless apples resting in cool darkness, waiting their transformation moment. Gentle, marzipan-like fresh apple aroma seeps through seals, promising incredible juice about to be born inside this cathedral of fruit. From silos, apples release in measured waves exactly 800 kilograms per minute into wide water channels below. Crystal water carries fruit upward on inclined flumes toward washing hall, bathed in soft violet UV sanitation light. Final rinse uses electrolyzed water, killing surface bacteria instantly, yet leaving zero chemical residue behind, ever. Apples emerge literally drink-clean, sparkling, brighter than morning dew under gentle waterfall curtains of pure water. High-speed spinners remove last droplets, sending apples dancing toward pressing, building on spotless mirror-finish conveyors ahead.
Massive elevators lift fruit 20 meters high into distribution deck, overlooking entire pressing hall like golden waterfall waiting. From this height, apples spread evenly across 12 identical processing lines, ready for first transformation into liquid sunshine. Apples cascade from overhead distribution deck like bright red and golden waterfalls into 12 identical stainless steel mashers below.
Slow-turning titanium augers feed fruit gently into wide, perforated drums, spinning at exactly 40 revolutions per minute. Sharp ceramic blades slice each apple into 8 perfect segments without crushing seeds or stems ever. Juice droplets sparkle under soft white LED strips, tracing every path through spotless pressing cathedral.
Precise metering pumps inject natural pectinase and amylase at exactly 30 parts per million from refrigerated tanks overhead. Temperature rises slowly to 22 degrees Celsius for exactly 20 minutes, deactivating naturally without heat damage.
Translucent the cell walls gently. Digital sensors monitor reaction progress every 10 seconds, ensuring absolute uniformity across all 12 lines simultaneously. Apples emerge softer and brighter and glistening, ready for maximum juice release in next crucial stage. Enzyme-treated segments drop gently into 12 towering continuous belt presses stretching 30 meters long under soft blue light.
Wide food-grade mesh belts carry apple pieces between slowly closing stainless rollers starting at 10 bar pressure.
Pomace emerges as light, fragrant cate, only 12% original weight, heading toward valuable byproduct destiny.
First pressed juice flows crystal clear and brilliantly golden, already tasting like liquid sunshine straight from tree.
Raw juice streams through transparent glass piping toward clarification hall, glowing soft violet under UV sanitation arrays. Powerful sanitary pumps push liquid upward 20 meters into 12 identical centrifugal separators, spinning at 4,000 revolutions per minute.
Fine apple particles and starch separate instantly, forming light sediment, while pure juice exits brilliantly transparent overhead. Inline refractometers confirm 12.5 Brix naturally, with zero deviation across entire flowing river. Crystal clear juice enters vacuum degassing column 40 meters tall, wrapped in mirror-polished stainless and soft white light.
Minus 0.9 bar pressure removes dissolved oxygen instantly, preventing any oxidation or flavor loss forever.
Tiny bubbles rise like champagne, while aroma molecules stay perfectly trapped inside rich golden liquid below.
Degassed juice emerges even brighter, sparkling like melted topaz under gentle LED inspection strips overhead.
Standardization begins inside 3 sequential mirror-finished blending tanks, each holding 50,000 liters, under gentle, low-shear agitation.
Precise flow meters add minimal vitamin C and natural apple essence, only when orchard variation requires perfection. Inline density sensors maintain exact 11.8 Brix for classic variant, within 0.05 tolerance. Light version receives purified water through ceramic membranes, dropping to 8 Brix with surgical accuracy always.
Standardized juice glides silently through polished sanitary piping toward ultrafiltration hall, bathed in crisp Arctic white light. First stage uses 100-micron vibrating screens, removing any remaining pulp fragments effortlessly under pressure. Second stage employs 20 Miran ceramic membranes, polishing juice to dazzling clarity in single pass silently. Final absolute 5-micron filters capture microscopic particles, leaving liquid literally brighter than mountain spring water.
Backflush systems clean membranes, automatically maintaining constant flow and zero downtime across all lines.
Ultra clean juice enters gentle aroma recovery system inside gleaming vacuum columns operating at 30 degrees Celsius precisely.
Low pressure strips delicate top notes, carefully collecting them in chilled condensers for later perfect re-addition.
Main juice continues forward, stripped yet pure, ready for final flavor enhancement, without cooked character ever.
Recovered aroma concentrates store in nitrogen-purged glass-lined tanks, waiting like liquid gold for reunion moment. Crystal clear golden juice now flows upward through transparent glass arteries toward the thermal sanctuary glowing soft amber ahead.
It first enters regenerative tubular preheaters, where thin stainless walls transfer heat with 96% efficiency, silently.
Temperature rises gently from 8 to 74 degrees Celsius in under 7 seconds without scorching ever.
Outgoing hot juice warms incoming cold stream, creating near-perfect closed energy loop, glowing emerald on control screens.
Pre-warmed juice flashes instantly into direct steam infusion chamber, where pure culinary steam meets liquid at 96 degrees Celsius.
Injection happens in less than half second, raising every droplet to peak temperature without single air bubble.
Precision holding tubes exactly 18 meters long ensure 15 seconds exact exposure, destroying pathogens completely. Automated steam valves adjust flow millisecond by millisecond, maintaining absolute thermal consistency forever.
Hot juice explodes into vacuum flash cooler, where pressure drops to minus 0.7 bar in 1 heartbeat.
Temperature plummets from 96 to 24 degrees Celsius in under 5 seconds, removing cooked notes entirely.
Water vapor rises through condenser towers, while pure, fresh apple taste returns stronger than morning orchard breeze.
Regenerative exchangers finish cooling using incoming juice as medium, reaching final 18 degrees with 97% energy recovery.
Chilled aroma concentrate returns through micro-dosing nozzles at exactly 1 part per thousand with surgical precision.
Inline aroma analyzers compare profile against Golden Standard Library, adjusting dosage in real time, instantly. Flavor wheels spin on technician screens, showing perfect match to fresh-picked Washington Sunrise every single batch.
Juice emerges tasting impossibly fresh, like biting into crisp apple on cool autumn morning.
Standardized pasteurized juice enters towering aseptic surge tanks, gleaming mirror-polished under crisp white cathedral lighting. Sterile nitrogen blankets every surface, preventing oxygen touch, while positive pressure keeps contamination impossible forever.
Massive tanks hold 115,000 liters each, rotating perfectly for seamless continuous filling ahead.
Gentle, low-shear agitation keeps liquid moving without incorporating single bubble throughout entire volume.
Digital level sensors glow steady green, confirming absolute fill accuracy before release downstream. Giant rolls of pre-printed food-grade paperboard unwind from refrigerated spools under soft blue light. Web passes through 40-meter hydrogen peroxide mist tunnel, heated to 78 degrees Celsius precisely. High-intensity UVC arrays follow, instantly bathing both sides in germicidal purple fire without shadow. Hot, sterile air knives blast remaining droplets, leaving web bone dry and microbiologically perfect forever.
Precision mandrels fold sterile web into perfect rectangular tubes, sealed longitudinally by ultrasonic horns invisibly strong.
Bottom ultrasonic seals form simultaneously while tube advances downward in flawless synchronization always.
High-speed rotary cutters separate individual open-top cartons with sub-millimeter accuracy under bright inspection lights.
Magnetic elevators lift cartons upward toward filling stations like silent golden escalators in perfect rhythm.
Sterilized filling nozzles descend into each carton, injecting exactly 1 liter plus or minus half gram with surgical grace.
Sterile nitrogen flushes oxygen before, during, and after filling, ensuring 18-month ambient shelf life easily. Ultrasonic top-sealing horns close gable instantly under laminar flow hoods, glowing soft white overhead. Gentle nitrogen puff expands cartons slightly, creating perfect rectangular shape that stands proud on shelves. High-speed vision systems photograph every carton from 8 angles at 3,000 frames per second continuously.
Advanced algorithms check seal integrity, print alignment, and structural perfection, rejecting defects instantly with red lasers.
Approved cartons glide forward, gleaming golden under bright inspection lights, like liquid sunshine in paper.
Induction sealers apply plastic screw caps with exactly 80 Newton-meters torque every single time, perfectly.
Laser etchers burn permanent batch codes onto each cap, including date, minute, and orchard block forever.
Inkjet printers add crisp secondary coating on side panels using vibrant food-safe colors instantly. Spiral cooling tunnels lower product temperature to 20 degrees Celsius over 120 seconds gently.
Perfect golden cartons glide silently from cooling tunnels into the robotic case-packing cathedral, glowing soft white overhead.
Soft silicone grippers descend like gentle hands, arranging cartons into 6, 12, or 24 patterns flawlessly.
Corrugated trays slide underneath, while wraparound cases form instantly from flat blanks under bright inspection lights.
Automatic taping heads seal every case with perfect 90-degree corners and crystal-clear tape shining proudly.
Inline check weighers confirm exact carton count, while triple metal detectors scan for absolute final safety silently.
Vision systems verify matching batch codes and perfect orientation on every case before release downstream. Approved cases flow forward on mirror finish conveyors toward towering palletizing islands bathed in cool blue light. Massive robots with vacuum grippers lift 12 cases at once, stacking them in precise interlocking patterns smoothly.
Each layer receives automatic slip sheets, while corner boards appear robotically for extra shipping protection always.
Yellow autonomous guided vehicles emerge silently, forming golden rivers beneath dancing robots overhead.
Pallets settle onto cushioned platforms with barely audible hiss as vacuum grippers release perfectly. Laser scanners read every label in milliseconds, assigning ideal high bay location 14 levels above polished floor.
AGVs accelerate smoothly to 30 kilometers per hour, following invisible floor tracks with flawless precision. Cool 18-degree air rushes past thousands of pallets, standing in perfect formation under soft ambient lighting. High bay racks rise 30 meters tall, wrapped in climate-controlled stillness and bathed in crisp white LED strips.
Telescopic forks extend 4 meters deep, sliding beneath pallets and lifting them as delicately as feathers.
Green confirmation lights ripple across entire rack faces, while warehouse software registers every movement instantly.
Digital boards overhead show 600,000 liters already completed and climbing before sunset glow.
Evening sunlight turns deep amber, pouring across the facility through 30-meter smart glass walls now tinted rose gold.
Production counters roll past 1 million liters completed today, while technicians exchange satisfied smiles quietly. Energy dashboards glow emerald, showing 72% thermal power from apple pomace combustion this afternoon alone.
Water recycling meters proudly display 99.8% closed-loop efficiency, with zero discharge again. The entire factory breathes contentment in cool conditioned air and perfect sustainable harmony. Byproduct holes operate like golden treasure chambers beside main juice lines under warm amber lighting.
Light brown pomace travels through enclosed pneumatic tubes toward biomass boiler, feeding superheated steam silently.
Dried pomace spirals into high-speed pelletizers, becoming premium animal feed within minutes continuously.
Apple seeds separate automatically entering cold press oil lines, producing delicate golden oil dripping like liquid jewels. Even peel fragments flow into extraction columns, becoming natural food colorant and pectin for worldwide bakeries.
Outside, young apple trees planted along every driveway shimmer in twilight, exactly as planned 15 years ago.
Vast solar arrays covering every rooftop drink final crimson rays, feeding surplus clean electricity into Washington's grid. Captured rainwater tanks store millions of liters beneath parking areas for process makeup forever.
Nothing leaves this facility except pure golden juice and valuable circular byproducts in perfect rhythm daily. Filling lines continue forming sealing and packing at 500 cartons per minute under soft indigo lighting.
Gentle, fresh apple fragrance lingers everywhere, carried by conditioned air through spotless mirror halls endlessly.
The building itself glows from within, a beacon of waste perfection. The factory stands eternal, turning Washington sunshine into liquid gold for breakfast tables nationwide, forever. Dawn will return in few short hours, painting glass walls golden once again, without pause or hesitation.
New apples will arrive, and new families will pour. The cycle renews itself endlessly in this cathedral of sustainable alchemy.